Assalamu alaikum, dear amicable, sociable viewers. Hopefully, all fit and fine by the grace of Almighty, who is the nourisher, cherisher, sustainer, who is the owner of beautiful earth and vast sky. Alhamdulillah, I am doing great by the uncountable mercy of Lord. I think with the way Allah is keeping me, I should say, Alhamdulillah, all is well. That's why I try to always say, Alhamdulillah, all is well. Although if I am face any kind of problem, suffering, frustration, upset, so I try to this time say Alhamdulillah. And when I say Alhamdulillah, actually I can't explain how much I get peace from the word. Okay, and greeting to all, Juma Mubarak. Today is the Friday, and for Muslim Ummah, Friday is a really wonderful day. And in our vacation day in Friday, so we get a lot of time in Friday. That's why someone hang out with their friends outside, and someone they spend their time with the family, and someone go out for visit, traveling, trip. So different types of people, they are use the Friday differently. Okay, so finally in Friday we go to mosque. Most of the people in this day, they go to mosque for pray Juma. So after they completed their Juma, they do not go to any time in week for prayer Salah. So what the mean, I don't understand, but they are go to mosque week one times. Is it correct? Is it really benefited? I don't think like that. Okay, so I want to say we should every day perform 5 waqt Salah, not only Friday, not only Juma, but also all and every single day we should pray 5 times Salah as a Muslim Ummah. Okay.